Pilipinas at buong mundo. Nay, tay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. 10,500 people in the studio. Maraming salamat. Ngayong hapon po, mga kapuso, is very, very special. Extra special. Dahil today we mark the finale episode of our first season. Next week po ang umpisa ng aming second season. At ilan lamang po sa ating mga bisita next week ay Claudine Barreto. Monday, I think we have Bitoy. We have Michael V. We have Dolly De Leon. Pero let's talk about today. At nais namin magpasalamat po sa inyo, sa inyong suporta, sa inyong pagsama sa amin dito sa aming munting palabas. Thank you for coming with us to the show. Sa ating kwentuhan, halakakan, harutan, minsan iyakan. Hindi ko malilimutan that last January 23, we were honored by the presence of the primetime queen, Marian Rivera. Siya po ang ating kauna-unahang guest nung sinimulan po natin ang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Today, ang ating bisita po is a primetime king. Nay, tay, kapuso, please welcome Ding Dong Dante.
Boy,
Dong, maraming salamat.
maraming salamat and congratulations sa first season.
Maraming salamat, Dong. Pero ito, I wanted to start with for today's talk. Narinig mo yung nangyari kahapon?
Oh, hindi lang narinig dito, Boy. Kasi,
Nakita mo?
Oo, nagdi-dinner kami ni Marian. Tapos may nagpadala sa kanya ng link. At nakita nga namin yung nangyari kay Bubay. Sabi, saan to? Sa show? Nangyari kagabi or kahapon. So, kinabahan kami. We got really worried. Kasi alam namin talagang si Bubay, siyempre nanggaling siya sa isang karamdaman na nakapag-recover naman siya doon.
Right.
So, when I saw it, sabi ko, ano kaya, how is she? How is he? Kamusta ba dito ba? Ano ba nangyari pagkatapos? Kasi yun lang po yung nakita ko yung clip na yun, napaka-exing clip.
Oo. Well, so nakumpisa ng palabas, kami umupo dito because we were doing Fast Talk. Pagkatapos dong, parang he started to be quiet. Parang akala ko iiyak. Akala ko he was getting emotional because he was remembering how he started. So, pinapanood ko lang siya. After a few seconds, instinct sabi ko, something is wrong. Kaya, are you okay? Siguro mga 2, 3 beses, RD. I said, are you okay? Nilapitan ko na. Kasi, I instinctively felt that something was wrong. Niyakap ko. Medyo yung weight niya, alam mong nakagano na sa'yo. So we took a break. Less than 6 minutes. Inupo namin siya dyan. So, yun. Lahat na, tumawag kami ng doktor, tumawag kami ng nurse. After a few minutes, mga 2-3 minutes, he was back.
Naka-recover naman.
He was back. He was okay. And doon, nalaman ko yung kwento na nangyari na pala ito. Ang tawag daw yata sa nangyari sa kanya ay silent seizure. Hindi naman ordinaryo, but he is used to this. Na ang sabi daw ng kanyang doktor, after he had that stroke in 2016, na magkakaroon ka ng mga silent o mild seizures. Pero ang gagawin mo lang, kumalma ka, and then be still. After a while, babalik ka rin. In all the years that I have been on television, that was the first time.
Yes.
That was the first time na may nangyaring ganun. So, Bubay, if you're watching, take good care of your health. Yun talaga, sabi ko, Bubay, paulit-ulit, alagaan mo ang sarili mo. At habang napapag-usapan natin yan, Dong, huwag na natin ilayo. You're very busy. Di ba? Amazing Earth, Family Feud, you're doing The Voice Generations, and you have royal blood. Paano mo pinangangalagaan ang kalusugan mo?
Kaya pa naman po, Tito Boy.
Kung ganyan.
Kasi siguro nakikita po natin ngayon kasi nagsasabay-sabay. Pero may magandang sistema po ang GMA wherein natetape ko po yung bawat isa.
Okay.
Na meron pa rin akong space in between. Dahil mahalaga po talaga yung kalusugan. At higit sa lahat, yung oras for family. And surprisingly, kaya naman gawin. Kasi nakaspread out naman po sa buong taon yung lahat ng mangyayari.
Ang ganda nun. Dapat conscious ka dun sa I need time for myself and my family. Lalo na that Marian is also coming back to work this year.
Yes.
So ang tanong ko, paano nyo pinag-uusapan ni Marian ang usaping trabaho?
So, literal, araw. O sige, MWF ako,
Okay.
TTHS ikaw. Para hanggat maaari, isa sa atin ang nandito sa bahay para, to watch over our kids.
There's another thing. You know, you guys as